Hi sales partners, my name is Shayne and welcome to another episode of MPG Sales Tips to Keep. If you want to know more about me, you can follow me on my socials. I have a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, and a Facebook page, all named Millennial Parenting Guide. In today's new normal, a lot of changes and innovation pops out. In sales, digital marketing and online presentation has now become a new trend. The beautiful thing about this trend is that we are no longer geographically challenged since we can now talk to anybody anywhere in the world. The challenge now is our adaptation in the new normal when it comes to project presentation. How can we present the project if we don't have a laptop and we cannot share PowerPoint presentations? For today's presentation, I'm going to show you how to maximize the use of company's website in project presentation. All you need is a gadget, an internet connection, and of course, a well-crafted website. I'm going to show you my computer screen for you to have a better view of the step-by-step process in project presentation. Are you ready? Let's start.
For this video, we are going to use the Philinvest website. All you need to do is to type in the URL, which is philinvest.com. Once you're inside the website, you may search for the location or name of the project that you want to present. For this video, we are going to present a project in Cebu, which is Amalfi. Click on the project and another window will appear. Copy the link and send this to your client, either on Messenger, Viber, or any platform that you are using to communicate with your client. Before you send the online presentation to your client, make sure to visit and study the presentation first. Once sent, set a meeting with the client for you to discuss and present the project. Say the date is already set and you are now presenting to your client. Ask your client to open the link that you sent, and together, you will browse and go to each detail or part of the project. As mentioned, always start with the location. So tell your client to click on the Location tab. Here, you will see the details of the location. Please do not read the presentation, but make sure to create an enticing spiel to your client. Ask questions in between the presentation to engage your client. Also, if the project is inside a township, make sure to showcase the township before proceeding to the project. After presenting the location, you may now ask your client to click on the AVP tab. Let your client view the video first before leading them to the Overview tab. Make a creative script for you to be guided with your presentation. Make a segue from location to the overview. You may tell your client, "I am happy that you like City de Mare, Mr. Smith. Additional good news is that Philinvest developed a prestige project in the heart of South Road Properties. I would like to present to you Amalfi." Then share bits and pieces about Amalfi. Again, do not read the presentation. Create a new script, be familiar with it, and make it your own. While presenting the overview of Amalfi, I highly suggest that you ask your client to click on the Site Development Plan. Here, you will see the planned photo of Amalfi. How many buildings are we planning to build? The theme of the community, and the density or proportion of buildings versus open space. After giving a very enticing presentation about the project, let's proceed now to the features. Ask your client to click on the Features and Amenities tab. Amalfi, as a prestige project, boasts its one-of-a-kind and grand amenity area. I highly suggest you focus on this part of the presentation. Ask questions to your client and also their feedback. Go through each photo and explain to them the different amenities. Example is the 2-story fully air-conditioned clubhouse with grand ballroom upstairs, a theater room, a conference room, library, gym, alfresco dining hall. And by the way, that is the only clubhouse with elevator inside. Never forget to engage your client. Ask them questions that will make them feel that they already own the place. Like, how do you feel of having your weekend family bonding in the pool area? After presenting the features and amenities, you may now segue and proceed to the building. Make sure to mention the construction methodology of the building. How many stories per building? The units per floor. Kindly ask your client to click on the Units tab and explain to the client the types of unit that you are offering and the estimated size per unit. Make sure to start with the bigger unit to the smaller ones. Explain to your client the finished project and its features. You may also discuss the parking area and other extra features of the project. After that, you may lead your client in clicking the virtual tour. Here, don't forget to mention the cleanliness of the project, how the community maintains the project's beauty, security, and the role of the condo corporation. Price range may also be discussed here.
After the project presentation, allot some time for question and answer. Last tip, make sure to make your presentation fun and lively. Be aware of the tone of your voice and make sure not to talk too fast or too slow. Your pacing and tone will set the mood of your project presentation. Lastly, have fun and don't forget to engage your client. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your teammates. See you again for another episode of MPG Sales Tips to Keep. Keep on rockin'! Bye!